Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is to talk about updates. Yesterday there were some cumulative updates for older versions of Windows 10. If you are on the May or the November 2019 updates, 1903, 1909, you had a cumulative update that does a lot of bug fixes. No security updates in there. Like I always say, if everything's all right on your system, you don't have to install this. It's an optional update. But if you do have problems, you might want to check it out. October 2018 update also gets a cumulative update. So you just have to head on to your settings, go into update and security, and make sure that you check for Windows updates to see if they are available. That will up your version number. So if you're on the version May 2019 or the November 2019 update, you will be at 18363 or 18362.1171. 18362 is for the 1903 version. 18363 is for the 1909 version. They are technically the same version of Windows with a little bit of tweaks, so that's why they follow the same numbering. And of course the ending is 1171. That's where you should be if you try to look at the Windows version number. And of course, like I said, the October 2018 or version 1809 is also getting cumulative updates. So these are bug fixes. There's one new feature you might see appear on it if you are. On the bottom right, you might have a new icon if you are updated. You have updated with this new cumulative update. If you're a Skype user, there will be a button on the bottom right that's going to be the Meet Now button. It's a new button that has appeared. For those that use Zoom, you might notice that it's easy to use Zoom. You just share a link and everything's all right. Well, that Meet Now button will make it easier for you to actually use Skype. So I'll talk about this update, this new feature, because it's rolling out to everybody now in a video today. So check it out. There's a new button called Meet Now. What it does is you click on it, you create a new meeting, or you could join a meeting. And what it does, it creates a URL that you can share with your friends that you want to meet up with on Skype. So it's really a way to make it easier for everybody to use Skype, basically. So bug fixes, no security updates. Once again, if you don't have any problems, don't want anything new, just leave it alone, and that's going to be okay. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.